Good day, everyone. Yeah, I'm gonna do a drive. I pick up my car from my garage. Yeah, we're gonna do a drive. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. Weather is fire. Sometimes raining, sometimes not. Yeah. It's cold. Still cold. Yeah. It's still cold. That's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna do a drive. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Open my Cooper also. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. A little bit of traffic today. Yeah, it's Saturday. Yeah. A little bit of traffic. That's okay. We can go. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Happy I'm in my car again. Yeah. And I'm working, you cannot drive in. No way. I'm not driving, yeah, and I'm working. Always nice. Oh. So quiet. Oh, I like my car. Yeah. I want to clean them, have it the weather. So cannot a lot of cleaning doing, yeah. No way. Yeah. Weather, yeah. Morning we got a little bit of sunshine. Now it's green. It's green now. Yeah. We got a good view. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Happy weekend, everybody. Happy weekend day. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget the thumbs up. Thank you. Yeah, I do my content. I know. Yeah, it's my content. Yeah. Alright. How many degrees? 6 degrees here now. 6 degrees. Yeah. 6 degrees. It feels colder. I don't know. It feels colder. Yeah. My day was good. Yeah. My day was very good. Can't complain. Hope your day is also good. Yeah. Nice road here. Very nice road. Driving. Very nice road. Thank you. I'm busy with my phone and with my GoPro. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good that. I'm gonna be happy out of summertime again. Oh, I'm a little bit warmer. Can sitting outside, can walking. My bicycle also doing, I always need to do with the car, but I want to drive with the bicycle also, but it's too cold, yeah, that's too cold, Oh, they put cameras now here, so it's 50 here now, but they're going almost past the cameras, and you can see the cameras there already, they put cameras now, you see there on the top, that's the cameras, Driving too fast, there's bingo, bingo, Yeah, so much better not driving too fast here, Yeah. Got a little bit of time, so no problem, Not hurry. Much better if you're driving with the car, not hurry, yeah. Take your time. Don't force nothing. whole place here, but it's just there is a school, eh? That's the problem, eh? There's a school, but yeah, it's not the problem, eh? If it's cool, it's okay. You can drive not too fast, that's okay. I have no problem with it. If no school, you can drive a little bit more, eh? There's no problem, eh? Yeah. That's the government, eh? Yeah, can nothing do about that, eh? Yeah. Yep. The cameras is there now, the other one, and the measure, eh? How fast you're driving here, the other camera is there. Yeah, you see. You're gonna see how much you have driving, eh? If you're driving too fast, yeah. You need to pay, yeah. You need to pay, yeah. Maybe you can drive a little bit faster here. Somebody's walking with their dog. Watching, thank you. Yeah. Nice place, very nice place. I like the place, it's quiet, not too much houses. That's why I like driving here. Too many houses. Busy here. Yeah. .50 again here. You can check it. 48 I'm driving. 48. Good. Watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Almost evening, eh? Almost evening. Yeah. Day was good, yeah. The weekend is good. Enjoy your weekend, yeah. I take good my rest. Yeah, because I'm a bit tired from working. It's okay. I'll take a rest a little bit, eh? Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you very much.